This is the agronomical experimental field of Department of Agronomy. If you see, this is the mung bean trials which is being conducted under the different experiment. Now these are the maize experiment, and this, if you see this side, this is the pigeon pea experiment. Now uh, if you see the experimental field of agronomy, that is a 6 hectare which has been allotted for the agronomical experiment. In the agronomical experiment, there are 7 experiments are being conducted during the Kharif seasons. 2 experiment of the AICRP maize and 2 experiment AICRP on pigeon pea, and 3 experiment are conducted by the another PG student of the MSc AG agronomy 3rd semester. Pigeon pea experiment which are being conducted by the PG students. There are 2 agronomical AICRP on pigeon pea trials, and which is conducted at the Chitrakoot centers. These 2 AICRP pigeon pea trials are allotted to the 2 MSc AG agronomy students. The first trial is the evaluation of post-emergence herbicide, and second is the agronomic fortification of pigeon pea with zinc and iron. There are 8 treatment in agronomic fortifications of the pigeon pea with zinc and iron, and while in the evaluation of post-emergence herbicide, there are 13 treatments. Basically, we have taken the different newly evolved herbicides which can be tested for the pigeon pea weed control. As you know that in the Kharif seasons there is problems of the weeds, so that's why if we have select such appropriate herbicide which can control the weeds in pigeon pea crops. In case of the pigeon pea, there is a need to enhance the zinc and iron levels in the seeds, so that's why these experiments are conducted in this Chitrakoot center, and it has been allotted to our center. He is a MSc AG 3rd semester student. He is conducting a experiment regarding the CM pigeon pea experiments, and that is the agronomic fortification of pigeon pea with zinc. He will introduce
My name
yourself.
is Aditya Tiwari. I am a CAG Agronomy 3rd semester. I have been allotted pigeon pea crop by our Honorable Sir Dr. H.S. Kushwaha sir. My experiment is agronomic fortification of pigeon pea with zinc and iron. थोड़ा एक लाइन छोड़ के डालिए। ठीक है, एक लाइन छोड़कर अपने को डालिए। अब इसमें डाल रहे हैं, इसमें डालना। इसमें पड़ा है जी। हमारा हरी रखवाई है
This is a pigeon pea experimental field which is allotted for the agronomical experiment. Trials having the 13 treatments, and its layout, if you see, that is the 13 treatments, which length is about the 48 meters and the width is the 18.2 meters. He is Mr. Vidyasagar, which has been allotted CM14 trials, that is the evaluation of post-emergence herbicide in pigeon pea. Tell about yourself.
Myself Vidyasagar. Honorable Sir H.S. Kushwaha have allotted me a field in Kharif season as the crop name is pigeon pea, having the variety PA 421 or 21. As I have a topic evaluation of post-emergent herbicide in pigeon pea. I have 13 treatments which design making random block design and having 3 replication. The duration of the crop is 6 months and I have to evaluate the effect of various type of weedicides, what effect they are giving and how the farmers increase their yields.
This is a agronomical field which has been allotted for the mung bean experiment. In the mung bean experiment, the AICRP on mung bean was allotted from the 2015-16, and thereafter it is a continue up to the 2019 and 20. And later on, due to the paucity of the fund, the mung bean AICRP center at Chitrakoot has been closed. And now the sum of the experiment which was conducted during the 2019 and 20, it is a continue in 2020-21 also. There are 3 experiments which has been allotted for was allotted for the Chitrakoot center. The number 1, that is the evaluation of post-emergence herbicide in mung beans. In this experiment there are 8 treatments, and this experiment has been allotted to the Miss Ekta Pandre, CJ Ekta Pandre of the MSc AG Agronomy 3rd semester student. And this is the field of mung bean experiment. 2 experiment has been conducted in this field.
My name is Ekta Pandre, MSc Agronomy, 3rd semester. My topic is evolution of post-emergence herbicide in mung bean, and my object is to find out the suitable post-emergence herbicide for weed control in mung bean. There are 8 treatment in my object, and my design is RBD, and there is 3 replication. I have been allotted the crop mung bean.
This is a mung bean experimental trials which has been conducted at this place. The area of this one about the 1 acres. Now if you see the mung bean experiment, it was started the AICRP on mung bean center at Chitrakoot on 2015 and 16, and since that it was continue up to 2019 and 20, and thereafter it is closed by the ICR as a voluntary center. Now the sum of the experiment which has been conducted in this center, and it is a continue, and there are 3 experiments of the mung bean AICRP experiment are being conducted. The first one, that is the effect of foliar spray of nutrients for the yield maximizations of mung bean. And the main objective of this experiment, that is to assess the impact of foliar nutrition on productivity and economics of mung beans. So there are 10 treatments which has been allotted for this one. These are the PG students which are being conducted in the mung bean experiment. The plot size is the 5 meter row and 3 meter width. So there are 10 rows which is adjusted in this plot size. The row to row spacing of this plot size is 30 centimeters, and if you see the variety which is being taken by mung bean, that is the PDM 139. So there are 3 mung bean experiment. One is for the foliar spray, second is the weed management, and third that is the nutrient management of the mung bean. CJ Ms. Archana Pandey, she has been allotted the experiment M3, effect of foliar spray of nutrients for yield maximizations of mung beans. She will introduce yourself.
My name is Archana Pandey. My class MSc AG 3rd semester student of agronomy. My experiment topic, effective foliar spray of nutrient for yield maximization of mung bean crop. Objective to assess the impact of foliar nutrition on productivity and economics of mung bean. My treatments, there are 10 treatments, foliar spray and pre-flowering and pod initiation stage. Water spray, 2% urea, 2% DAP, TNAU pulse wonder at the rate 5 kg per hectare. My experiment design, randomization block design, there are 3 replication and variety, PDM 139.
Experiment of AICRP on mung bean trials, and this is the trials which has been allotted Miss Sonali Pendre, and the experiment which has been allotted, that is the nutrient management in mung bean. In this experiment we have taken the organic manure, trichoderma, pseudomonas, and different levels of the NPK 100, 50% and 70%, 75%. So we have tested about the different dosage of the organic manure, trichoderma, pseudomonas, as well as the inorganic fertilizer. So which will be the suitable, or you can say appropriate dosage of this organic and inorganic combinations with this trichoderma and pseudomonas. And in this experiment there are 3 replications, and design is the RBD, and in this the plot size is 5 meter length and 3.6 meter width. Now she is Sonali Pendre. She has been allotted this nutrient management in mung bean experiment.
MSc AG Agronomy 3rd semester. I have allotted nutrient management in mung bean crop. There are 8 treatment and design RBD and replication 3.
This is a maize experimental field which has been allotted for the agronomical trials, and there are 2 agronomical trials which has been allotted for the maize. And in case of the AICRP on maize, which has been allotted to maize experiment for the Chitrakoot area, and these 2 experiment has been allotted to the 2 PG student of MSc AG Agronomy 3rd semester. And this is the layout of one experiment, and the experiment, that is the MAT 7 crop residue management in traditional and emerging maize system, which has been allotted to Mr. Umesh Patle. He is a MSc AG 3rd semester. He has been allotted a MAT 7 experiment, that is the crop residue management in traditional and emerging maize system. Basically there is problems for the residue managements, and most of the farmers, they are burning the crop residue. So that's why it created the problems of the pollutions. So that's why we should manage the crop residue in case of the various use of the microbial consortia, residue management, and residue incorporation, residue removal. So there are various treatments which are testing in the Chitrakoot center. Mr. Umesh Patle will tell about the his experiment.
I am Umesh Patle, and I am studying in MSc AG Agronomy, Mahatma Gandhi Gramoday Vishwavidyalaya, Chitrakoot, and I have been allotted maize field, and my experiment topic is crop residue management in traditional and emerging maize systems.
The AICRP maize experiment, the 2 experiment, number 1 experiment, that is the bead management in maize system, that is the MAT 6 experiment, which is allotted by the AICRP on maize coordinated trials, and this trials is allotted to the Pitambar Kumar.
My name is Pitambar Kumar Kashyap, student third semester, MJCG, Chitrakoot, Satna. My experiment topic is weed management in maize crop.
He is Mr. Pitambar Kumar, MSc AG 3rd semester student. He has been allotted MAT 6 bead management in mesh system experiment. This is a coordinated trials, and this trial is being conducted by this MSc student for the thesis purposes. The objective of this experiment is to develop bead management options in mesh cropping system, and our location is the Chitrakoot, and in this experiment the variety which is being taken, that is the JM 218, and the row spacings is 60 centimeter and plant to plant spacing is 20 centimeters. If you see, the showing of experiment is going on in this experiment, and these are the plot size, which is 15 square meters of the length and width area.